Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you make a carousel post on Instagram. Carousel post meaning multiple images or videos in a single post, for example like this, where you can add up to 10 photos or videos in a single post. So let's get into the video. So once you get into your Instagram app, all you have to do is click on the add button here. So here you can choose the photos that you want to add in a single post. So click on this select multiple option here, so click on that. So here you can, once you click on that, so you can select all the photos here. I'm just choosing some random photos here. So for photos here, if you click on it and then click on the next arrow button here, and here you can select each photo here, and then you can put filters and you can edit it, like do all the editings. Once you have done, click on the tick here, so you can so you have all the photos here which you can like edit each of one of them. So once you're done with it, click on the next button here, next arrow. So then here, as usual, you can just have to add your captions, your hashtags. If you want to tag people, you can do your tagging, locations, and all those things, all these settings. Once you're done with all these all your settings and all your descriptions, everything, so all you have to do is click on this tick here. So this is now going to post all your photos and images that is selected as a single carousel post on Instagram. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.